Hey guys, this is Nikki of Bubble Babes Bath Company and also of Bubble Babes University. Today I'm going to show you how to do the airbrush technique using a spray bottle. So firstly, we're going to take some mica and we're going to add that to the bottle, and then I'm going to pour some 91 or 99% alcohol into the bottle. You want to make sure you add enough alcohol to keep the consistency thin, because if it's too thick, it's going to clog the sprayer. And also, if you're using a fine mister, you may want to, step it up a little bit and get something a little bit bigger, because the fine mister may also cause the sprayer to clog. I am using Gold Basics mica from TKB Trading with the technique I showed you previously, and this is just to cover the tops of the toes. And you guys already know what to do. I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe and share this video if you enjoy the content. Also, if there's any videos that you would like to see me do in the future, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to get them there for you. So we're just going to continue to cover this. You don't want to overspray, because again, this is liquid. Although it's alcohol and it'll dry fast, you don't want it to start making your bath bombs react. So now I'm taking the bronze mica that I used in the first part of the video to spray the crust. And also, I just wanted to say, because I don't think I said it earlier in the video, to test the color of your mica, you want to test it on a paper towel, and that way you can see if you need to add more mica or if you need to add more alcohol. But you want to also keep in mind that you have to keep the consistency very thin in order for it to come through the sprayer. And so I want to make my toast look, like I just took it out of the toaster. So instead of it having that line of demarcation right there, I'm going to spray the edges a little bit so it can look like, the airbrush technique is all the way throughout on top of the toast. And a quick tip that I want to share with you: when you go to like the Dollar Tree or the Dollar General, they have the household sprayer bottles. I find that those do not clog as easily. So you may want to invest in a couple of those to do your airbrush technique for your projects, because I'm telling you, those are the best. Now to paint the faces, I'm going to separate out some mica, and these are the colors that I want to use for the face. And I'm just going to add just enough alcohol to make it a thin paste so it can be like a paint. I don't want it to be as thin as it is in the sprayer bottle, but I want it to be a little bit thicker so that I can paint the faces on. And I'm going to just use regular paint brushes that you can get from any craft store and paint the faces on. Just adding the finishing details, and as you can see, they come out beautifully. You cannot even tell you did it with a spray bottle. Stay tuned for the next video. I will show you how to make the peanut butter and the jelly to put on the tops of your toast.